Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a beaded keyring. So for this tutorial you need your open 7 fishing line, your scissors, your blunt blade to cut out the excess, then your keyring. You can either use your keyring 1, 2, 3, 4 anyhow. You can use one actually. So and you're going to be using sugar beads for this tutorial. So to get started, you take your scissors and cut out the fish line that you can handle. So you should have 2 points like this. On one point you fix 5 beads, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 beads here, and you close with the 6th one. This is how you close. You cross your beads. Some people call it interlock. So you should have this. So after getting this, there are 6 beads in a circle. To continue the process, you fix 3 beads here. 1, 2, 3. That is the fishing line on your right hand. Fix a bead on the fishing line on your left hand, and close with a bead. Pull it down, and you have this. For the third one, you repeat the same thing. Fix 3 beads here. 1, 2, 3. Fix a bead there, and you close with 1. Repeat the same process for the 4th one and the 5th one. So this is the 3rd one. 1, 2, 3. For the 4th one, then you do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Fix a bead at the end, on the other end, 1 here, 3 here, and you close with a bead. So you close with a bead. You should have this 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th one, you fix 3 beads here, 1 bead here, and close with a bead. That's the 5th one. So this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the 6th one, which is the last one, you fix a bead here where you normally put a bead. Pass it through the 3rd bead here. That's from here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Fix that same bead, that same fishing line into it. Pull it out. Where you normally put 3 beads, which is the right hand, you fix 2 beads instead, and you close with a bead. After closing, you should have something like this. This is where we closed. You pull it. So to get rid of your excess, you don't just cut it out. You pass it through all those beads. Make sure you pass it through it a couple of times. Once. Sometimes I can go around like that, maybe like 12 times. Do the same thing for the 2nd fishing line. Go around. Make sure you go around in a zigzag manner. So we've gone around in a number of times, and we have our beaded keyring. It is ready. So all you need to do right now is just to cut out your excess fishing line with your blunt blade, and fix your keyring. Your beaded keyring is ready.